100% pure snake oil by Gadget Man. It's the real deal. Morning, everybody. This is Ron, or afternoon or evening, wherever you are, whenever you see this. We're right now in Morro Bay, California, and this young lady right here, Beverly, why don't you introduce yourself?
I'm Beverly Brown.
All right, and tell us about your car here.
I have an 05 Dodge Caravan.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so what was going on before? What did we do, and how's it like now?
Well, it was running pretty good, but it was hard steering. And especially when it wouldn't, if I had the car totally stopped, and I would try to turn the wheel, it was almost impossible to turn the wheel.
All right, and we put a little 5cc dose of snake oil in that thing for you, right?
Yeah.
And tell me what it's like now.
Well, it's now, when I turn the wheel, when it stopped, I can turn it, you know,
like,
pretty easily.
Like it was when it was new, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You see, folks, snake oil is a unique product that literally restores things. And what was going on was a pump's got, how many miles has it got on it?
About 350, or no, I mean, wait a minute, almost 200,000.
Almost 200,000, all right. So what happened is the power steering pump got weak because the valves they just slow down, they get stuff on them anyway. But when we put that snake oil in there, it literally rebuilt the pump from the inside out. Is it working good now, Bev?
It's working really good.
All right, you see that smile, guys? That's what happens when you fix something without labor. I'm happy too because I didn't have to redo the power steering pump. I don't like the work. Anyway, work smart instead of hard. Anyway, the website is snakeoil.wtf because that's what you're going to think when you put this in your car, wherever you put it. You got it for every system on the engine. Anyway, I'm going to say God bless y'all richly and warmly. You want to tell them anything?
Yeah, you can rejuvenate your car with almost every system with the snake oil, I think. I used to
Yeah.
2 systems already.
Yeah, and you're happy?
Amazing. Yeah, I'm very happy.
All right, good. All right, so remember to smile for a stranger today. You will both be glad you did. Bye-bye. Order yours today at snakeoil.wtf. You'll be glad you did.